This tutorial will lead you through the IPUMS MEPS data extract system. Start by going to meps.ipums.org. From the homepage, click on Get Data or Select Data in the menu to begin creating your extract. First, click on Select Samples to choose the survey year or years to include in your extract. You can select individual years, all the samples from a given decade, or all samples. I'm going to choose the 2018 and 2019 samples. When you've selected your samples, click the Submit Sample Selections button. Next, choose how you want to structure your data extract. Click the gray Change Data Structure button. Our user guide contains more information about each extract data structure. I'm going to choose rectangular on person. In this structure, there are no condition, event, prescription medication, or round level variables in the extract, just annual person level variables. So I'm going to look through those and choose the variables I want. I'm choosing some demographic variables like age and sex, and variables that provide information about health conditions, health insurance, and expenditures. You can also look for a variable using the search feature. Now go to View Cart. If you've forgotten any variables or samples, you can add them now. When you're ready, click Create Data Extract. From this page, you can again view and change the variables and samples in your extract, change your data format, and describe your extract. Then click Submit Extract. Log in with your email address and password. This is the Download or Revise Extracts page. From here, you can view previous and current extracts, revise extracts, and download data. When your extract is ready, you will receive an email. Depending on the size of the extract and the server load, your extract may take anywhere from a couple of minutes to several hours to be ready. You will be able to download the extract from this page. There will be a link to download the data file under Download Data, and if applicable, syntax files to read the data into your statistical software package of choice. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoy using IPUMS MEPS data. Email ipums@umn.edu with questions.